wonder how our grandparents managed to keep their clothes pristine during the tough times of the Great Depression? It turns out that they had some ingenious tricks up their sleeves. In this video, we're stepping back in time to uncover frugal laundry tips from the Depression era that not only helped stretch the budget, but also ensured clothes stayed spick and span. Tip number 1, homemade soap. In the Depression era, store-bought laundry detergents were a luxury many couldn't afford. Instead, resourceful individuals turned to making their own soap. A simple concoction of lye, fat, and water was typically used. I love making my own soap, but some may not be keen on crafting soap from scratch. You can explore DIY laundry soap recipes using readily available ingredients that can be cost-effective and eco-friendly. I prefer handmade soap because it lasts longer, cleans better, and you know exactly what is going on your skin. Additionally, you can pre-soak heavily soiled items to minimize the need for excessive soap during the main wash. Tip number 2, hand washing clothes. Washing machines were nowhere in sight during the Depression, and people relied on good old-fashioned hand washing using a washboard or a basin. Although it would take more effort than washing machines, hand washing will help save energy and money. Give it a go. You might discover a newfound appreciation for the manual approach to laundry. Tip number 3, cold water washing. Hot water was considered a precious commodity during the Depression. It was only reserved for essential needs. This scarcity led to the widespread adoption of cold water washing for laundry. Apart from being a frugal choice, it also helps preserve the colors of your clothes. Consider using the cold water setting on your washing machine occasionally, and you'll save on energy costs and extend the life of your garments. Tip number 4, sun drying. Before the invention of electric dryers, people took advantage of the sun's power to dry their clothes. Hanging clothes on a line outside saved money and provided a natural freshness that no dryer sheet could replicate. So take a cue from the past and consider setting up a clothesline in your backyard. We went without a dryer for years and hung everything up. In the summer, it was outside, or during the winter, it was inside on retractable clotheslines. This saved hundreds. Tip number 5, reuse water. In the spirit of conservation, Depression-era households didn't let a drop of water go to waste. After washing clothes, they repurposed the water for other things. This practice minimized water waste and showcased a resourcefulness that is often overlooked today. Implementing a similar strategy in your household, such as using laundry water for watering plants, can contribute to frugality and environmental responsibility. Just make sure that the soap you use is plant safe. If you make your own soap, you are good. Tip number 6, line your drawers with soap. Keeping clothes smelling fresh was a priority even in tough times. To achieve this, individuals would line their drawers with bars of soap so that the subtle fragrance would transfer to the clothing, providing a natural and long-lasting freshness. Consider adopting this old-school trick for a fragrant wardrobe without the need for artificial scents or laundry detergent add-ins. There you have it, 6 laundry tips that our grandparents used that can help you save money today. Try these tips and see how they can make a difference in your laundry routine. Happy laundering! SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.